Welcome back to the LusoCAD for Beginners course by Structural Academy. In this video we will go over the copy command, one of the fundamental tools we will routinely use while drafting in LusoCAD. To activate the command, input CO in the command line. We will then be prompted to select an object. We will copy this circle for this example. Once you click on the object, we must select a base point. When you select the base point, you will be able to move a copy of the object using your mouse. Just click again to place it. Changing the base point can be useful. For example, if we select a quadrant as a base point, we can snap it to the rectangle like this. Allowing us to place it just by clicking the rectangle. Now let's try again, this time paying attention to the subcommands when we select the object. If we type A, we will be able to create an array using copies of the circle. Let's input the number of copies and the distance. If we use the second circle as reference, we can select its center to use the distance between both circles as the distance between the array objects. And if we want the array to be created inside the distance between the two circles, we can type F for the fit subcommand, allowing us to select a number of copies that will be fit between the desired distance. This is all for the copy command. Keep watching to learn more tools and commands in LusoCAD.